Jovix Insights is a suite of standard and customized reports that provide valuable business intelligence. Using data captured through Jovix transactions, Jovix Insights brings that data together to provide insights of how the business strategies or processes are performing. Jovix Insights answers the who, what, where, and how of your material transactions, allowing a 360-degree view with actionable data. So why Jovix Insights? Today's construction industry is capturing more data than ever before. As digital tools replace outdated methods like clipboards, data points are captured that were previously not possible. Thanks to Jovix, we have digital data such as transaction start and stop times and automated sensor reads and timestamps across the supply chain for the entire material lifecycle, from fabrication through installation. All this digital data is trackable and can be used to inform your project's decision-making. Knowing what to do with that data can be difficult and challenging. Clients are looking for an ease-of-use solution that provides the required business intelligence that allows them to make more informed decisions. How does it work? It's easy. When our professional services team arrives to stand up your project, we work with your project team to determine your project's KPIs, as well as which standard and custom reports provide value to your team. Then we configure Jovix Insights to your project-specific targets, so you can know in an instant what's on track and what may require attention.